I hope you are good. Hope you are good. This is Prince Ngosi. Today, I want to reveal to you the secrets or the things that you didn't know about price action. I want to reveal to you the way I view price action, the way I'm able to see price action. Price action it's the basics. It's basically the basics of trading. So everyone is required to know price action. Today I want to show you the things that some of you didn't know. I know there are people who knew this before, but I'm sure you had that mindset that you know what is price action, but actually there is so much in price action, and there are deep things in under price action that you think you know but you don't know. Today I want to reveal to you the things that you were not taught about price action, the things that were like hidden from you about price action. I'm doing this because I'm tired of seeing people blowing accounts. I'm tired of seeing people losing their money, whereas what they need is right in front of them. So today I want to show you all those things. All those things. I want to show you how easy price action is and how you can take a good advantage on trading price action. Okay, so without wasting a lot of time, in front of us we have two trends, which is the downtrend, which is this one on our right hand side, and we have the uptrend on our left hand side. Today I want to show you the deep characteristics of these two trends. These two trends is basically the basics of forex trading. These are the basics. If if you will catch this right as I'm teaching you right now, I promise you you can apply only price action and see progress on your trading journey. What I want to show you, I know a lot of you know price action, but what I want to show you now is the things that you didn't know about price action, the things that they haven't taught you about price action. Okay, what we are going to do now, I'm going to at least drag my screen a bit so that I want a clean space so I can show you how the market moves, how the market behaves, and how the market is able to take money from you without you noticing what exactly is happening. Okay, we will start with the uptrend. The uptrend is this one, which is on our left hand side. Here we are having our charts, but for now we will come back to our charts, but for now let's focus on the on these drawings, because these drawings will help us understand what is happening on the real chart. Okay, let's come to this clean space. I want to show you how the market moves, and I want to show you the things you didn't know about the movement of the market. As we've said, we are starting with the uptrend. Okay, let's have our drawing, this one. Let us take this one. Look, I'm analyzing on a phone, guys, because most beginners, they start trading on their phone. I want to show you that you can also trade successful with your cell phone, just using your cell phone. I will also use a laptop to show you what exactly is happening if you have a laptop. But if you also want to trade with a phone, and maybe you are not at home, you are somewhere, you are at work, you are at school, but I don't recommend trading at school. Like when you are not at home, I prefer trading using a phone. I don't like to go with the laptop and moving with the laptop around. Okay, look, guys, this is what is happening. First, on a bullish trend, the uptrend represents a bullish trend. The market will move like this. It will come back and make a retracement like this, and then it will go up like this, and then it will come out, it will come back down to come and retest on our previous high, and it will go back high to break that high to create a new high. After creating a new high, it will go down to create a new low and go back up again like this. It will do that over and over and over and over and over until it come to its completion on that trend. And this is exactly what you were taught about trading price action. You were taught that when we are trading price action, the market will always move like this. It will always come to retest on your previous high, and it will come and create a low. But let me show you something that you didn't know about price action. They told you that price action, when like we are trading price action, the market will always come and retest on the previous higher high, like this. As you can see here, this is our high. The market came and retested here, and this is our last high that was broken, which is our last higher high that was broken like this. This is what they told you about the market, the behavior of the market. But what I want to show you is the deeper side of the movement of the market. I want to show you the deeper side. They told you that the market moves like this, but let me show you the secret now. The secret how you can trade price action. Look guys, on price action, the market won't always do this. The market doesn't respect like this. What the market will do is that after creating a high like this one here, this was our higher high, our first higher high that the market created, and after creating this higher high, it's created a lower high. I think it's a lower high. I'm not familiar with the weights, but I know trading. A lower high like this, and then it goes up to break that previous higher high like this. It goes up to break that one, and it creates a new higher high, and then it's come back to create a lower high. You see, like this, and then it's go back to break our previous higher high to create a new higher high, which now we came back and created a lower high, and then it went up again to create a higher high. So for now, the market, what it will do from here where we ended, the market will also come and create a new lower high, which will be here. This is what you were taught, guys. But now let's make things even more interesting. The market won't always behave like this. Maybe it will do this once or twice on that trend. What the market will exactly do is that at this point where it's supposed to create a lower high like this, on this point, the market won't come and retest exactly on our previous higher high. What the market will do is that the market will come like this. The market will disrespect our previous higher high, which will take it as a support. It will come below. Always when wait for the market to come below. Okay, like this, guys. You see, it will always do like this. It will never respect exactly at this point here. It will not come exactly at this point. It will come below, guys. It will come below. Always when we are trading this, don't trade at the top here like this. It won't always come and respect like this, but it will move a bit down. It will go below our previous higher high to create a lower high, and then it moves up, and then it will come and create a lower high. The lower high, it won't be above our previous higher high. It will come at least below. It will come below here like this. It will come below. Let's drag this. It's a drag and drag. It will come below like this. It will always do this, guys. It will always do this. It does not come at the top exactly, at the top like this. It doesn't do that most of the time. The market will always come below like this. It will create our higher high, and then it creates a lower high, and then it creates a higher high, and then it creates a lower high below the higher high, guys. It will always come below the higher high. That is what you must put on your mind. They lied to you when they said the market will come and retest at the top of our previous higher high. The market, that is why the market will always wipe you out. Make sure, guys, make sure you wait for the market to at least take out some people's stop losses. When the market does like this, they know that most people they are expecting buys here. There's a lot of buys here. So make sure you don't enter where there are a lot of buys. Wait for the market to at least remove the buys. If you fear to take your buys at the below the, like our previous high like this, if you are afraid to take your buys, okay, wait for the market to take some people out, and then when it's back at this level here, and then you can enter the market. Now you know your target, that your target is you want to move and break our previous higher high like this. You want to come and break our higher high, like, which is this one. Now you will take your buys here. If you fear to take your buys here, come and take them here. But if you are not afraid, take your buys below our higher high here, which is this side. We will go and do this on our real chart. We will create a series on this one so that you can understand it, so that we cannot make our videos too long. So from here it will come and buy. You will come and buy from here and take your buys until we break this, even if we don't break it, because we are not sure of that. On that time when we are trading, we won't be sure of that. You can take your buys even here. If you are a swing trader, at least you can see that now you are safe. You are even more safe. Look, let's put this. Let us put this long position. I want to show you where to take your buys exactly. Like this. You see? Your entry should be like this. Your entry is expected to be like this, guys. Your entry is expected to be like this. This is how your entry should be. You can take your profits here. You can take your profits at least at this level here. You can at least do this. Make sure you wait for the market to remove the people who are not patient. Let the market remove them first, and then you will take advantage of the market. And then again, as for those who are afraid to take their buys below the high like this, they will wait for the market to come at least here, and then they will take their profit here and put their stop loss below the previous higher high, which is this one here. Let me drag this so that we can all have an understanding of what I'm talking about here. You see here, or else you will wait for the market to take people out, and then you come and take your buys like this here. You see? You see? You will always take good advantage of the market if you use this very perfect and if you use this very well. Make sure you take good advantage of this. You see, it's the very same scenario here. Wait for the market. Don't take your buys here. Don't take your buys here. Wait for the market to take some people out first, and then you will take your buys. Wait for the market to take some people out, and then you take your buys. Don't be in the crowd where like the markets have to take you out first and then it goes to the direction. Avoid that, because most of the time you have noticed that the market will always take your stop losses and then it goes to your direction. Why? It's because you have entered here. It's because you have entered here, and like it's wrong to enter here, because the market, it will always do like this. It will do exactly like this. It will take your stop loss out, and then after it will go to your direction. And guys, that is very painful. That is very, very painful. If you are afraid to take your buys below that higher high, make sure you wait for the market to at least come back at this level, but wait for it to take some people out first, and then you take good advantage of the market. You take your profits at the next higher high, because we don't know if the market will break that higher high or what, because sometimes the market will just create a high and do like this. It's also possible that it does like this, and then we find ourselves changing a direction like this. So make sure that you are aware of this thing. I'm making you aware. Don't say I didn't tell you. Those who follow us now will know the secret that the market has its own strategy to take people out, as you also have your own strategy to take money from the market. It's the very same thing to the market. The market also have a strategy to take your money out from your pocket. Make sure you avoid these small things. Make sure, guys. Make sure. And then if you are not afraid to take your buys below this previous higher high, which is this one, below this previous higher high, if you are not afraid to take your buys here, take them. You will go and take your profit exactly at this point, because we are not sure if the market will break or like will just decide to change direction, because the market, we don't control the direction of the market. Please take note of that. That's why in Forex we also take losses and we take wins at the same time. Look, we just ride with the market. We follow where the market is going, guys. If like we send you a signal and that signal goes straight into losses, that doesn't mean now you should be angry. Now you should be frustrated and all those things. No one controls the market. No one. If your mentor tells you that he or she controls the market, he is lying. That one. Look, we take losses. We do take losses. We can't deny that. But make sure you don't take your buys exactly here. Exactly here. The market will take you out and it will be very, very, very painful before it goes to the direction. It doesn't always do like this. This is the very same things they didn't told you about market structure, which is the price action. If you like trading price action, make sure you take good note of this, because this is the very same thing that would discourage you from continuing on trading forex. Make sure you avoid these mistakes. Since we are done with this, now let's go and check this on our real chart. We are back. This is our real chart. This is the thing that we have in front of us now. This is what I was telling you, but this is the monthly time frame, which means it doesn't show a lot. It doesn't show a lot. We will jump to at least 1 week time frame, and then we will jump to a daily time frame, because mostly I like to trade on a daily time frame. I like to trade on a daily time frame, but I not that I don't check the monthly time frame and weekly time frame. I do check them first before I do anything. You see, now we are on an uptrend. You see, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend like this, and I want to show you how all of you can take good advantage of these trends, like this. As I've said, we'll start with the uptrend and then we'll go and do the downtrend. First, I want us to clean our chart. Okay, guys, this is our clean chart. As you can see, we are like moving on an uptrend. For now, I want us to jump to a daily time frame. Daily time frame is revealing lot of things, because and it's good for you to analyze on a daily time frame. If you are a daily trader, so you will always have the good side of the market. Okay, let's come. This is our real chart. You see how choppy it is. It's very, 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 very choppy. Look, let's come here. As you can see, we are on an uptrend, guys. We are at an uptrend. First, let's draw our higher highs. As you can see, this one here, this one was our first higher high. This one here, this one here. Here, look here, this one was our first higher high. We come and draw like this. You see, it was broken and it was retested just below. The market turned back below, guys. You see the thing I was showing you, that side. You see, the market did like this. First, it created a double bottom here at the bottom. You see, created a double bottom. This was a double bottom, you see, and then it created a higher high, and then created a higher low below the previous higher high, and then it went up to break our previous higher high, and then again it went below that higher high, and then it went up to create even more higher high. You see, look, let us finish with the drawing. Let me finish with the drawing so that you can see what I'm talking about. This is our higher high. I want to mark all my higher highs. This is a higher high here, here. This is a higher high. Let's come here. This is a higher high. Let's go, and yeah, I think for now we will use these two ones, because the market won't always give you opportunities like this, more opportunities. It will give you opportunities and then it will hide some opportunities. I will show you the deep things that you didn't know about price action. If you keep on following, you will see what I'm talking about. This was our previous higher high, which was broken. We first created our higher high and then we created the lower high, and then it's a lower high, this one, and then we went up to break this higher high. We break and created a new higher high, and then we created our lower high, which is this one. We created it and then we moved. You see, we went below, guys. We went below, not at the top here. You see, many people entered here. Let me drag this. Okay, guys. Okay. You see what I was telling you. Many people entered with buys here. Exactly what I was telling you. The markets pulled, even it acted like it's going up, and then without them noticing, it went down. And took them out. As you can see, it took them out, and then after taking them out, this is where you should enter. Wait for the market to take the impatient people out. You see here, it took them out. There were a lot of buys here. There was a lot of buys here. People entered with buys, as you can see. People entered with buys. The market went down to take them out. You see, this is where me and you are supposed to enter. We enter below our previous higher high, or we wait for the market to at least come back at this level. We wait for the market to at least come and take we wait for the market to take people out, and then we ride with the market. But here you will have been even more safer. You will be even more safer if you entered here. It's the very same thing that happened here. You see, we had this higher high, which is this one here, we came and broke it and created a higher high. We don't enter with sales on a buying market. Please, guys, don't disappoint me like that. Don't. No. It's unacceptable. Fam, no. Wait for the market to create a low, and then you enter with buy. It's a buying market. We don't sell on a buying market. You see, many people entered with buys here, and then the market took them out. It went below. This is where you are supposed to enter your buys. Just below here. Below that this higher high here. This is our higher high. We come below here. Let me put this here. You see, we enter here. You see, now our stop loss is even far away from being hitted. You see, and then you take your buys. You go with the market like this. You can apply this even on the smaller time frames. It's up to you. You can always apply this. We took the buys like this below, guys, below our previous higher high below, you see, below our previous higher high, like this. You see here, look at the cross line here. You see here, this was our higher high. We created a low and then broke that higher high, and then we created a low and then we broke that higher high. You see, it was up to you where you want to take your profit. You are going to take your profit even down even here. Here, let's come here. Let's come here. Here, you see, you will have took your profit exactly there. Okay, let's copy this. I want to copy. Is it copied? It was not copied. Let me clone it once. Clone, since it doesn't want. Like this. This is where you're supposed to take your buys. Like this. Like this. You see? This was your entries. In this way, you were going to take good advantage of the market. In this way, you are going to take good advantage of the market. Okay, since you saw how to trade the buys on a bullish market, on a bullish trend, you saw how to do that. This is how you do it. This is how you are supposed to take your buys. This is how you are supposed to enter. Okay, I will do a separate video where I'm showing you how you can take good advantage on a selling market, which is the selling trend, a downtrend, sorry, which is the downtrend. I will show you all that on the next video. For now, if you like, you can test yourself, and after watching this video, and just make the opposite of this. Make the opposite of what I was showing you. Just turn the structure upside down. You will see it's the very same thing. Just if you just turn the structure upside down, it's the very same thing. It's the very same thing. But I'm willing to do a video on that one where I'm showing you to do this. Look, guys, when now you find something like this, I I I I I prefer that you go deep on your smaller time frames and check for an entry there. Do not take your entries on a daily time frame like this. Go on a smaller time frame. Go deep on a smaller time frame. At least take your entries on a 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, even 30-minute time frame. Even on a 1 hour time frame. This video has come to an end. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment with your opinion. What do you think about that? As for now, thank you from me. I appreciate you for watching this video, guys. Thank you. Bye.